It's kind of odd, but one of the guys commented about the 24.04. When I went back onto Ubuntu's website, it had me download 22 point something. Then I noticed that 23 was available, but they didn't advertise this on here, so I just typed in Ubuntu 24, and it popped up as a beta. And strangely enough, it looks like it installed perfectly on my computer, and every other time I was trying all the other ones, they wouldn't install. I don't know what the difference is. This is not a newer computer by any means. So we'll go ahead and restart it. See what it does. Something failed. Plymouth reboot server. At least it's nice enough to put it in red writing. Something's okay. Something's failed. So, this one here stopped thermal D service. Failed to start Plymouth reboot service. Show Plymouth reboot screen. See system status Plymouth reboot service for details. Failed to read block something or other. Error. Yeah, there's a bunch of errors actually. These are all errors. Okay. Well, every single one of these are errors. Lovely. Is that good? Probably not. So, I don't know. Enter. See what enter does. Stop target time. Target system time set. Enter. Job session scope stop running. 1 minute 3 seconds. Job session scope running. I don't know what the hell that is. So I don't know. Maybe I was supposed to leave the media in here. Let's just see what happens if we go ahead and restart this thing. I bet you it doesn't boot. I don't know what it is, but I think there's something wrong with this computer. I don't really think it has anything to do with the hard drive or any of the other stuff. So we do that while we got this going on here, and we're just waiting to test it. But seems to be working fine. It might be starting. It looks like it. Alright, it worked. Well, I'll be damned. About time. I've only wasted how many hours? I like this design here a lot better than the sperm jellyfish looking thing they had on the other one. That was ridiculous. I don't really care for the look of the icons. Anyway. Complete your setup with additional settings and we'll have you up and running in no time. Upgrade to Ubuntu Pro for free. Up to 5 machines. I don't know what the hell Ubuntu Pro is. Get security updates on a wide range of packages until 2034. Fulfill FedRAMP. I don't know. Enable Ubuntu Pro now or skip this step. An internet connection is required. Alright. Help improve. No. I don't need you tricking me into gathering my information to improve. I don't think this will be connected to the internet anyways, so. And I can't find my Wi-Fi card that I have, so it doesn't really matter. So we've got it up and running, so I'll just have to see what all I can do with this. I think mostly what I'm probably going to do is just test this and then see what's the max amount of RAM I can get into it and see if it works better than my other board. And then I'll mount it in the other case. I'm going to probably toss this case in the trash. Recycle it. So, but I'm glad that this finally works. So I was starting to think that, well, maybe all the hard drives are bad, maybe the motherboard's bad, but this is kind of what my experience has been in the past at a lot of Linux installations. they're real particular about how you install them and from what kind of drive. And I'm using one of the USB to SD card flash drives because I can't find any of my other ones. So it's working.